Okay, guys. Remember I told you I was making 5 pounds of spaghetti? Well, this is what I do with the rest of it. I'm going to freeze it. Now, I got these. These are the largest. These are 1-gallon containers. And I'm going to put the spaghetti in here. That way, if I don't have time to cook or don't feel like cooking dinner during the week, all I have to do is to take one of these out of the freezer, put it in the microwave, and unthaw it. And yes, sometimes it gets a little messy, but that's the way it is. Now, I don't know if I have enough to fill. I have 4 containers here, and I'm not sure if I have enough spaghetti to fill all 4 containers. But it doesn't matter. Whatever is left over, it'll be enough for however many meals. If it's 3 containers, 3 meals. If it's 4 containers, 4 meals. I'm just gonna let you see me fill one of these. I'm not gonna bore you with watching me fill all of them. So I put as much as I can in here, in the container, to make sure that once I reheat it for dinner, there'll be enough for 4 people. I'm going all the way to the edge. There's a little space right here. And a little space right here. So this is how I do it. Saves a lot of time, guys. It's easier. I mean, it's a little bit more work to cook 5 pounds of spaghetti instead of 1 pound. But it's worth it in the end because you don't have to, I mean, if you want a meal in a hurry, there. If you want a meal in a hurry, then you have it. Oh, my mistake, guys. There's only 3 containers here. I thought it was 4. There's only 3. I'll be back. Okay. As you can see, guys, there was only enough spaghetti left in the pot to fill these 2 1-gallon containers. This is good enough for 2 more meals. And this is what we're having for dinner. My husband grilled some chicken chest, and we're going to have the spaghetti on the side. This is his plate. You know, he loves to eat, and so I have to make his plate in order to keep his eating under control. Isn't that sad? But as you can tell, we love grilled chicken. Well, hell, we love chicken, period. Grilled, baked, boiled, stuffed. We love chicken. So this is what we're having tonight. Grilled barbecue chicken with Getty on the side. Now tell me this plate isn't enough to fill a hungry belly. So until next time. All right, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Happy eating.